In a world where first impressions matter, standing out is crucial for your career success. Our promotion services, including expert resume writing, digital resume creation, and comprehensive LinkedIn rebranding, are designed to showcase your unique skills and experiences. Imagine your resume not just as a list of jobs, but as a powerful story that highlights your professional journey and achievements. Every word is crafted to grab attention and spark interest. Visualize transforming your LinkedIn profile into a magnetic hub for networking and opportunities. By rebranding your LinkedIn, we ensure that you not only connect with peers, but also attract potential employers looking for someone just like you. A captivating profile picture, a compelling summary, and well-crafted experiences can make all the difference in how you are perceived in the professional world. Moreover, a standout portfolio is essential for demonstrating your capabilities. Whether you're in design, writing, or any field that thrives on visual representation of skills, we assist in creating a portfolio that effectively encapsulates your best work. This curated collection becomes not just a display of what you can do, but a testament to your professional ethos. In conclusion, investing in these services is not just about creating documents. It's about building a powerful narrative that amplifies your professional presence. Take the first step towards a brighter career path by leveraging our dedicated services to enhance your resume, LinkedIn profile, and portfolio today. Stand out, get noticed, and succeed.